It's the first time we're playing this new team. I've never played them before. They won the first set. It was a tight set. They won the first set, so we knew it's either win the second set or we're going home without the championship trophy. So we had to dig deep, change the strategy, and we came through in the tiebreak in the third set.
We made crucial errors at particular crucial times, so that cost us, especially the first set. So we knew what we had to do for the second set and for the tiebreaker, and we just did what we had to do in order to come out on top.
It was a tough match for me, particularly because we played yesterday, and again, just coming back out to play a tournament, I made it mash up. So I feel so it felt, but it was a good match. It was a good match. I feel like I played well.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously there were, some moments there. The serve is not working at the moment, right? Hasn't been oiled in a long time. And I thought Kyle really played very well, covered.
Yeah.
Very well.
Yeah.
I believe, as I said, we play together at UA regularly, so we mesh well already. We already have some form of chemistry in terms of camaraderie. But no, man, it was good. I had, as you said, some battle wounds though. I had 2 matches yesterday because I played the doubles, and I had a semis, and then I had to retire from the semis, singles. Came back here today. Had a little delay in the match with the lights and everything, but overall, it was really to get myself back on court. As you know, I've been out for a while to see getting back fit and trying to take the next step and try to get back the rankings in the singles.
And you think that this team will continue playing?
Anything is possible. You
Yeah,
never
anything
know.
is possible. Anything.
Never know.